Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to use brush pens for the first time, and here I have already drawn borders on ivory sheet, and with the help of pencil and compass we will draw our drawing, and it will be a very easy drawing. And here we will draw some wavy lines, three wavy lines in the bottom of our sheet. My sheet is in a landscape position, you can see, and now in the center we will put the compass and draw three circular lines, semicircle you can say. And with this activity we will learn about warm colors using, I'm here using a alcoholic black marker, and with this marker only I have drawn my borders, and it's a waterproof. It is very useful and it is my favorite black outliner, so you can use it and do the circles very carefully. Always go for the half and then complete the full by rotating your sheets. So let's just do it, and after this we will erase our all the pencil work. I have made here two same drawings. And then we will put our brush into water. Take some water in the brush and just rub it all around your brush pen, and try to spread all the color from the brush pen to your drawing part. And now we will come to the orange and we'll do similarly. After doing the outlining part, I try to do a little bit on the corner so that it will not let your eyes go out of your sheet. It's very important. Do this part as I'm doing here. So let's just do it. Now we will use our last color and the most beautiful color, my favorite one, red color. And similar steps we will do, and just spread them with the water in the brush. And I guess this is the easiest painting I have posted in my channel so far. And this painting you can make a birthday card and greeting card by using the same technique, or you can do it in and hang it on your wall. It will look so pretty, and you can make any silhouette art on it, and you can try more designs also with this technique. This is a super watercolor technique I have ever used. Honestly, I'm using this brush pens first time and I'm really fond of watercolors. And with these colors you just need to apply them and blend them. You don't need to do so many efforts as we do in the watercolors. So for if you are a student or a beginner, this is the best colors you can use if you want to make a watercolor painting. And friends, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for watching more videos like this. I'm gonna bring a lot of new topics for you with using different mediums, and I'll be sharing from class 1 to 8 all the art syllabus and more interesting videos. So here you can see I'm filling all the background also with the same techniques, and our warm colors painting is done. Can see how nicely and neat and clean it's been done. And second, another sheet we will do with the cool colors by following the same steps. So let's see which colors I'm going to use very quickly. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Have a good day or a night.